So I've talked a little bit in other videos about the difference between yoga and Pilates, and I just want to make one more clarification on the difference between the two. So in yoga, you're working with poses, with positions. Now, of course, when you hold a position or a pose in yoga, you're breathing into it. Your muscles are still moving in a way, but it's more about holding the pose. Whereas in Pilates, it's really about the movement. It's really about moving through the exercise. So continuously moving. Now you've got vinyasa yoga, which is more about the flow, and think about Pilates more like that, but take it even further. So in Pilates, it's not only moving through every single exercise, but moving through every single transition. So at no point should you just stop throughout a Pilates class. Now that doesn't mean that you should be moving quickly. You should be moving slowly with control throughout an entire Pilates class, because Pilates is actually contrology. That's what Joseph Pilates called it. It's really about the study of control. So you should be moving slowly and with control, but also continuously moving. Keeping in mind that a Pilates class is one slow, controlled movement throughout the entire thing. So think about this idea, whether you're a Pilates student or a Pilates teacher, think about this idea of continuously moving through a class. And again, not moving quickly, but continuously moving. So think of movement, not position.